Hello friends, so today we will complete data management module. We have two units in this module, import data and export data. So let's begin with the first module. Let's open this in a new tab and scroll down. Launch the playground. Again, go back to the challenge. Here we need to download the CSV file first. Then open the org and click on setup. So in the quick find box, type import or data import wizard and click on it. Scroll down and you can see launch wizard button. Click on this. Here we need to select accounts and contacts, then add new records, match contact by name, and we need to click on CSV. Click on choose file. So this is the CSV file which I have downloaded. Click on that. Keep this value default and value separated by should be comma. Click on next. Here we need to do mapping. So for the F name, click on this map and contact first name. Click on map. For L name, contact last name, map, and for the cell, contact mobile and map. So mapping is done. Click on next and we need to click on start import and OK. So once you click on this, you'll see this kind of interface. So this is the bulk data load jobs. So this is the job. This is the data load which we just completed. Go back to the challenge and check it.